Hello little scientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. Have you ever observed the old iron objects in your house become brown after some time? This happens because of corrosion. In this video, we will learn about the corrosion of metals like iron and copper and learn all about their chemical changes. From the IntelliSmart box, take out the Physical and Chemical Changes Activity Kit. From the kit, take out the vinegar bottle, iron and copper rings, gloves, disposable plate and some tissue papers. You will also need some salt, glass and spoon from your home. First, wear your gloves. Now place the glass on a table or any flat surface. Empty out the vinegar from the bottle into the glass like this. Now add half a teaspoon of salt to vinegar and mix it with the help of a spoon until the salt completely dissolves in vinegar. Now place the disposable plate on a table or any flat surface and lay 2 tissue papers on it, like this. Pour half of salt and vinegar solution onto it, like this. Place the copper and iron rings on the tissue paper. Cover the rings with 2 other tissue papers. And now pour the rest of salt and vinegar mixture onto it. Let it stay for a day. After 1 day, remove the tissue covering the rings and observe them. You will see that both the rings will get covered with different colored layers on them. Copper reacts with carbon dioxide, oxygen and moisture and forms a mixture of copper carbonate and copper hydroxide, which is blue-green in color. Iron reacts with oxygen and moisture and forms iron oxide, which is brown in color. Usually this process takes a longer time, but the presence of salt and vinegar speeds up the reaction. Corrosion of metals such as iron and copper involves formation of new substances, and hence it's an example of chemical change. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.